So, good evening to all of you. My today's topic is programming exercise based on the operator and decision making in Python. This session is going to be very fruitful for those who are newcomers in Python or who start their career in Python, because the Python is the first step toward learning a data science. All right. So make yourself strong with a small program, basic program, because after that we have to build up the strong concept, the complex concept. So in these classes, you have to make sure that your basic is clear. All right. So first of all, I am wishing you all Merry Christmas. May this Santa can bring you the happiness in your life and your career become strong so that you get job after uh, degree completion. Okay. So I am Abhishek Srivastava, your instructor on data science. Today I am teaching you the program based on the Python operator and decision making. All right. So these things are covered today. Okay, let's maybe we have 1 hour session, 1 hour 15-minute session we do continuously. All right, and then we have a calendar for next week, what we topic we cover on each day. You can take a screenshot of this one, otherwise this thing available in recording manually, it will be provided on your LMS. Okay, so I'm just starting my session. All right, so I'm opening my Jupyter. So all of you advises to open your Jupyter, taking a new file, Python 3 program exercise based on the operator and decision making. All right, thank you so much. So the first of all, the first program I will do, write the object in one cell, then convert this thing into markdown, then in next cell I will do this thing as a program. Okay, so the first thing is markdown. What is markdown? Converting the text into heading. So write a program WAP to read and print the values of variable with different data type. Okay, and if I want to make this heading, so what I do, I go to markdown and then run. So this will looks like a heading. Okay, so before this I just put the program one, P1 stands for program one. All right, now what my objective is, we have to take values with different data types. Okay, and then have to print. So right now you taught you how to take a string, integer. Now I teach you how to take the float value also, I mean the parsing of float value also. Okay, then we take num equal to int input, int input, enter a number. I insist all of you who are at least newcomers in Python, do implement with me. All right, enter the value of num, then here, and then I take second thing, amount equal to float. Float is another data type, what you input by the user, it will convert into float one. All right, okay, enter the value of amount. Someone is entering the class. I'm requesting to all participants to kindly join on 8:15 sharp. All right, otherwise I keep permitting. Okay, then we have one more variable, pi equal to float, the value of, pi the value of 3.14. So again it's a float type. Pi is a constant in mathematical constant, just like if we want to calculate the area of what we say circle, so we have pi r square, so that kind of variable. Then we have code. New thing is str, just like int, float, we have str conversion also. By default all the things are string, but we should know how to str also work. Okay, so this function give you all your inputs convert into a string. Normally we use integer to convert anything into integer, so using str you convert anything in str and allocate them. Okay, enter the value of code. Okay, then we take population equal to, again, int input, enter the population. I mean, we are showing you a different type of inputs and different variables. Enter the value of population. All right, now if I want to show its output, so I am putting the output over here. First I comment print the values of variable, value of variable. Okay, so first I am taking the print num, single quotes and double quotes working same in Python. So don't worry about, you can write in single quotes, you can write in double quotes. Okay, num equal to, see what I'm trying to say, equal to what happening here. Last time I used the comma over here. Okay, now I'm appending the plus, means we are concatenating the something. So once we are concatenating, so with the concept of programming, string and numeric never concatenate. If you want to concatenate string and numeric, so you must convert number into a string. So what I am doing here, I just take str of num. See, here number is type of numeric, okay, not a string. Again, I convert this string and concatenate with the predefined method. Okay, then again we take print method. Again, I am printing. Second one is amount. And what we do one thing, I am just putting the amount over here so that you can learn new one thing. In double quotes, I put the slash n. Okay, what is slash n? Note, slash n is new line character. Line character. Alright, now slash n, I am going to print amount over here. Not I am using a different function, amount. Then again I put the plus or equal to first, then plus, amount is float. Again take the str because I am taking the concatenation operator, append operator. This will merge to string, take amt. Alright, this is one way. Now we remaining with pi value. Pi, okay, I just put a comma over here. It's a numeric, so it will be printed. So let's see what the behavior of these three variable. All right, then we proceed next variable. Okay, so first of all, I'm just taking the enter the num, that is my 55. Okay, enter the amount, any float number, 56.321. Then pi value 3.14. This is a predefined pi value. The enter the value of code. Okay, you know code is a string. I take emp, then 001. This is my code. The population we take 56, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see what happening here. We have output over here. First of all, it print the num, the format of a string. Even you can print in the form of integer. What we do in last two classes. Okay, so this is new thing for you how to print this one. Second one, I change the line. Once we change the line, so amount is shifted to new line. Okay, so you can check this one. Amount is shifted to new line, and then we print the amount. Whatever you put the input 56.321, it will print it over here. Then we print the value of pi, same way. So same way you can do print the population over here, either in new line or we can do over here. Okay, so this is way in this program what we learn the use of str. And if you do print the format of str, so we can use the append operator. C plus is append operator or concatenate operator. Plus, I just write a note, plus is used for append of a string. What is append? Append means joining of two string. All right, so keep in mind. Okay, now second program number two. This is program number one, program number two. Okay, I hope everyone is clear with this. Okay, perfect. Okay, so yes, now moving to next program. All right, program number two. Again, mark down. This is for heading P2, program two. Write a program to calculate the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. All right. So by this way, we can do this thing. Okay. So first of all, you should know what is Heron's formula. I mean, anyone know the triangle's formula? So I'm showing you any searching image for this formula so that I can put the formula over here in my notebook. Just take the images. Yeah, that is perfect. This is Heron's formula and better presentation anywhere. Mm, no way. So I'm just picking this formula. He's a mathematician who give me formula to getting the area of triangle. Okay, so we can put this image over here. I mean, this is little bit big image and a small image. This one, yeah, that is perfect. So I just copy image address. You can also do this thing. Search an image, convert this thing markdown. I'm writing img. This is a HTML code src equal to. This is the best technique for teachers. So if you want to demonstrate anything, so you can put over here. So my formula and image over here. So let's understand what is Heron's formula. So first of all, we have to calculate the s. What is s? S is a three side of triangles, a, b and c. Then the side of a triangle is not equal, so we have to use this Heron's formula. Okay, and once we have this kind of thing, so we can take sqrt or square root of s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. All right, now we are operating. So see, programmer is nothing but they are mathematician, they are physician, and they do implement the problem of real world into programming so that ease of the thing, they get calculation very fast. All right, now I'm implementing. I'm taking a equal to float input. Fresher may pay attention over here. Okay, beginners may pay attention, rest of the person intelligent. Okay, enter the first side of triangle. Okay, then whatever I take over here I will convert into float. All right, I'm just putting all the code in one cell. Similarly, I have three side, a comma b comma c. So enter the second side and enter the third side of triangle. So I got all the side over here. Now if you want to print the side, you can print, otherwise you go to calculate first s value. So what is s equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. So by this way you get the s. Now how to calculate area? This area is square root of s minus a, s minus b and s minus c. Check this one. So I'm calculating the area. First of all, I'm taking s. So s, then inside that bracket s minus a into, because second term is going to be multiply, into s minus b into into s minus c. All right. So these three variable s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Now we have to put the under root. Someone is entering the class. Oops, no one is there. Okay, I hope someone is there. Okay, so what happened? We have just formulated this formula. Now we have to put the square root. So told you the power operator, double asterisk, and if you put the power operator, see, square root, known as the power half. If someone is put any bracket power half, so known as this is square root, so both are equivalent. Okay, so either you put the power half or you put the power of 0. 0.5, it's the same thing. All right, so I am putting here the power of 0. 0.5. Got it? Now print the area. Print the area of triangle. Area of triangle is area. Okay, so what new things? First of all, you see, we have to use the parenthesis if you have a highly calculated expression. If you have this kind of expression, so you have to use a parenthesis. Okay, especially in the case of power, you have to apply power in the both, in the all expression. So we enclose the all expression inside a parenthesis, then we apply the power of 0. 0.5. Okay, so first I calculate this one using abc, then I do this thing. Now let's run the program. Enter the first side, let's suppose 12, then 18, then 10. Can anyone tell me what is expected area? If my side is 12, 18, 10, if my side is 12, 18, 10, so what is my expected one? I'm just waiting. Anyone tell me what is my expected area so that we can to know? Give me in chat box. If my side is 12, 18 and 10, 12, 18 and 10. So what is my expected area? Anyone? Forty root square 2. Okay, so Ramaya has ready. Tell me. Let's see what happening here. Oops, it says object float is not callable. Where is the problem? Area equal to this one. So we have to convert this thing into some specific thing. What we do? Hmm, problem is created over here. Hmm, something is created problematic. Okay, so do one thing. First of all, to convert is the int, because we are generally take the integer value. Later on see what problem is there. Let's see on this 12, 18 and 10. I'm running this thing again. 12, 18 and 10. What problem it is facing? Hmm, it's not working properly. I mean, I don't think so. The problem is there. Let's print the value of ABC or print the value of S. Let me check this thing. Cross check, in fact. Print S, the calculated S. Calculated S is my S value 10, sorry, 12, 12, 18 and 10. Okay, fine. That's better. So if we put this thing integer, I don't think so there's any problem is there. Again, 12, 18 and 10. Okay, now put the remaining code 12, 18 and 10. Oh, just wait. I think this power function is not working in that case. Let me put the 1 by 2. I think 1 by 2 also return the thing. Means otherwise we have to take power function or sqrt function, because sometimes operator will not accept the float fractions. All right. So let's see one more time. 12, 18, and 10. No, I think this fraction is not accepting this one. Okay. So what I'm doing, I'm using a math package. Okay. So math package. So import math. This is a package predefined. You can do all the mathematic work over here. Math.sqrt is a function. Sqrt is a function. Let me cross check it's working fine or not. Math dot. I hope so. It's working. It should be working. All right. Let's see. 12, 18, 10. Oops. This is completely horrible. Yeah. If someone has suggestion, can give me.
Sir, one operator is missing.
Where, sir? Okay. I think this one is missing over here. Yes. So yeah, that's a typing mistake. Okay. Okay. Let me again check. 10, 18, and 12. Thank you so much. Who's the smart person? Yes, Ramaya. Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. Actually, I just focus what happening here. So just I give you the new things and let me focus on the old thing. I'm just removing the math package. All right. I just make problematic over here. S is okay. Now what I'm doing here, I just roll back the old thing. How I'm roll backing the old thing? Just putting 0.5 5 and just roll backing float over here. Perfect, 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 perfect. Again running and in 3 comma 4 comma 5. Perfect. Thank you so much, Ramaya. And one more thing you see with my mistake, that Python is very good to point out the mistake. If I'm again committing this mistake, just I remove this one over here. Okay. So what happened? This will give me error. Again, I just take. So those who are new, point out this arrow. It will tell you problem is where. Problem in this line. So I am just capturing that this fractional power is not subjected to double asterisk marks. That's why I'm looking that power. Otherwise, I am committing mistake, typing mistake over here. All right. So those guys who are new, check this arrow. This will explicitly tell you where is the problem. So problem in that line. So wrong code, wrong code for pointing out my errors. All right. Now, okay. Now capturing next program. These are our equation which, so we have to find the how to check how to create the expression, equivalent Python expression with the mathematical formula. Now third program, P3, program 3, write a program to calculate the distance between two point. Okay. So if you remember, we have a formula of Euclidean distance. I mean better Euclidean distance. Euclidean, Euclidean distance. What is that? Let's see first. What is Euclidean distance? Capturing them is Some good formula. Yeah, that is better. Good formula. Yes, perfect. Any more good formula? Euclidean distance. Yeah, that is better. Okay, I'm just getting image of this one. Copy image address. Check this one. If we do have two coordinate point, so what happened? One coordinate point P1 x1 y1, second one is x2 y2. And if you calculate the thing, means we have to calculate the distance between two. So what I do here, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, y1 whole square. This is my Euclidean distance. Okay. In various data science algorithm, I will use this kind of distance, just like we have k nearest algorithm. Then we have a clustering problem in unsupervised learning. We can use this kind of formula over there. Okay. So let's formulate these things. A current thing. Okay. What we do, we have to take input from user. Take x1, y1. Then we take x2, y2. All right. Now int input, enter the value, enter the value of coordinate, like first one. Similarly, value of x1, that is of x1. Similarly, I am just putting same thing, enter the value of y1. X1 y1 is one pair. See, any coordinate over there, any coordinate is given over here, so it is in two dimensional space, it is given x1 y1 value, x1 for x coordinate and y1 for y coordinate, x coordinate value and y coordinate value. All right. Then you have another point, again it's x coordinate and y coordinate, x2 and y2. All right. These are the Cartesian system, we make use this thing. Okay. Enter the x1 y1, then x2 and y2, then y2. All right, these are my 2 points. Now we have to put the expression once again. Okay, so what distance I'm taking, distance equal to, first of all I'm taking x2, keep I, so that if I commit the mistake, so kindly improve me, whole square, means this is a power, this is a power. Okay, x2 minus x1 whole square, then y2 minus y1, again we are doing the whole square. Okay, this thing is resolved, and then we have raised to the power half. So enclose this one and convert this thing raised to the power double power, first of all square remaining, then 0 0.5. Check this one, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, then square root of this one. So this will give you the distance in this. So the print statement says distance
So
using
here also one parenthesis is missing.
uh let me check, keep unmute, let me check this one. This is for one fun, this is where two, where, yes please, can you point out where they're missing?
That should be in one parenthesis the whole, and after that
No, no.
star 0.5. That y2 minus y1
Mm-hmm.
star 2,
Mm-hmm.
then one bracket.
Mm-hmm.
After that there should be one bracket.
For again to enclose this one.
Yeah,
See this
go
this see this bracket is pairing with this one. See the green bracket. See the green bracket. Both bracket are green. So I think this is paired. This is paired,
Okay, okay, okay.
and this is again paired. No, no need to sorry. I mean, you also over here. Actually, this is multiple brackets, so we have to pair mapping. So how to detect the paired mapping? So once you select any bracket parenthesis, so automatically the paired one is green. All right. Let me check. Let me check. Okay. This is a way in Python. I just take distance. One is Manjul is saying not work. Let's see Manjul. Maybe it not work, but
No, sir, it's absolutely fine.
it's so your Manjul or some enter value of x1 3 5 7 9. Manjul's working. Okay. So all of you who are the fresher in the case, so one thing more thing which discuss of parenthesis. If you have multiple parentheses, how do you know that which is paired to which one? Just keep cursor before this. So the against coupled parenthesis will be green. Check this one. If I am checking this one, so this one is green. So moving your cursor and you got the pairing. Okay, very simple thing. So this is a evaluation of expression. Okay, not complicated thing, but you have to put the placing over here. That's important. All right. Now moving to next one. Yeah, area of circle. Write a program. This is P3 and P4. I'm just giving you today spoon feeding. Actually, the basics are these things. Okay, so here you write, learn how to write a code. Okay, write a program, a program to calculate the area of circle. Uh, area and take the circumference. Area circumference. Okay, check this one. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just taking a radius. See here, radius require radius equal to. Okay, I'm just try float over here. Float input, enter the radius. Radius. Then what I'm trying to do, first of all, I have to calculate the area. So area is given equal to 3.14. That is a value of pi into radius. Radius into radius. All right. Now circumference 2 pi r. I mean, just let me put the formula. I mean, you are a smart person. You know the pi r square. I just put the formula pi r raised to the power 2. Okay, this symbol is raised to the power 2. Okay, circumference. Okay, I just put 2 pi r. In comment section, I am putting the formula 2 pi r. These are the multiplication. So first of all, 2 into pi into r. All right, so these are two parameter for the circle which I calculate over here. Later on the module section, function module, I manually fetch the value of pi, because in math section pi is predefined. Okay, just like I use over here, I mean I should not use the this kind of math import over here, because this will explain in the package and function section. Okay, which I proceed in particular day, I mean this timetable disclose, next kind I disclose for next week. So this is a way for handling the packages, predefined packages. All right, so I will explain this different kind of math function. So this is not appropriate place to explain this, but thing is it, because if you learn the operator, so this is a proper way to teach over here. Okay, now so just that's why I'm using 3.4. Otherwise, I will take directly import the pi variable and use this. Okay, so print area equal to, I'm putting just area variable, then print circumference equal to variable. All right, now check, put any number. Perfect. Okay, so small exercise based on this one. Okay, very good. Next program, P4. Write a program. WAP stand for write a program to get the digit on unit place, on unit place of a number. Means what I'm trying to say, if user entered any number 1, 2, so what happened, we have to fetch this unit. Okay, I will use the modulus operator. Check this one. Num equal to int input, enter the number. All right, any number will be written. Now I'm taking the reminder, I mean any digit. So d equal to num modulus 10. Keep in mind, everywhere, anywhere, if you want to get the unit place, see what is unit place. Just we have a number 731, so this is the unit place number, unit place. This is on decimal place, and this is on hundred place. Okay, if we have 7 multiplied by the 100 plus 30 multiplied by the 10 plus 1, so you got this number 731. All right, that's why we say unit place, decimal place, and hundred place. All right, so simple, very simple. We use this thing to add the digit on yesterday class. Okay, so print the unit digit, unit place number of of which one, num, is d. So any number you can put over here. Okay, so it will fetch the last one. Now next program, program 5. Write a program to convert degrees to Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Degree Celsius. Okay, so there is a relationship between degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. What is that relationship? I'm just fetching the formula once again. So based on the formula, I hope this thing's given to you as a homework. I mean, I'm just putting the formula. Mm, this one is better. So dimension is very high. So this will not embed 1000 pixel. That is better. Okay, so this thing I'm giving to you, putting the image. So I hope you will do this thing. Formula is given. Okay, so you have to take any value what I'm putting, convert degree Fahrenheit. So you have to take the Fahrenheit and convert to degree Celsius. So two formulas here: F equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. And what C equal to, it is looks like very fade, 5 upon 9 F minus 32. So you are provided degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. All right. So you guys have to do this thing and cross check mathematically using the calculator, so that you can cross check this one. Okay. Now taking some program of if else etc. Right. Give me 5 minutes, then we move on the second session. Any query on this thing, you can ask me. Shudanshu, was Shudanshu give me radius equal to float input? That you use the formatting. Good. I will teach the formatting in the string section there. Okay. Good. That's one also one. See what specialize is there. I mean the formatting is there. So that is special chapters. Okay. I'm just showing you what chapters are we have. Kindly those who join late, see this one. I put all the loops, I mean all the topic by topic, day by topic, then we cover all the things over here. Okay, so don't be bother. I mean in the function we use the module string, we use the formatting also, how to put the format with the indexing with F single quote like that. Okay, so I'm just taking the 5 minute break. You guys drink also or drink tea, etc. I'm just returning in 5 minutes. All right. I'm handling some program which is concerned with the if else statement. All right. So I have all of you here. Yes. Okay. So let's start some program that is quite interesting because this is based on the operators. Now we having handling the if else statement based program. All right. Now all of you over here, can you check? Yeah. Yes. Okay. So now moving on, next program, that is program number 6, P6. Okay. So someone providing the YouTube playlist. So yeah, kindly go with that playlist. All the recordings available in that. And against this, you have all email ID, etc. So you can mail on that. Okay. Now moving on to program based on the if else statement. First of all, very good program. I will use some library methods over here. Write a program to check that given character is digit, digit or alphabet or white spaces. Okay. Okay, I will use some library method over here. I mean, based on a string. I mean, the in the most of the method I will explain in the string chapter, but here to explain these program, I will use some method over here. So what I'm writing here, I take the char equal to input, enter any key, enter any key. Okay, or enter any input. So I'm just checking only for digits, alphabets, and white spaces. All right. Now check this one. If char dot is alpha. All right. So keep in mind when method contain the is keyword. This method is alpha. So first of all, it is checking the alphabet, and it is questioning is means the input you're providing is alphabet. So always keep in mind when is there before any method. So it will return you true or false. True or false. Keep in mind. Okay. So if the method is alphabet, so I just check this one and print to user. The user entered the character. Alright. Now second one, if char dot is digit, means now the thing what you enter by user is a number, is digit. So it will be printed enter a digit. Okay, I just check single input. All right, then if char dot is space, then what I do, I just print enter the white space character. All right, I'm just checking these three scenario based on the input. Okay, first of all, 5 perfect digit. Again I check x character, again capital X, I'm checking the capital X character. Now I'm checking the space. See, I'm just putting the space, 5 spaces. So here I use a three methods. I mean, there are lots of method explained in the string chapter, but here I show you how to demonstrate these thing with the help of a statement. All right. Now catching this next program, program 7. Write a program to find larger number between two. Okay, you have two numbers, you have to find the larger one. So what we do, we take a equal to int input, enter the first number, then similarly we have b, second number. Then I'm checking if a is greater than b. Okay, two values are evaluated. Okay, so I'm taking one more variable, large equal to a, means large contain that a is greater, else large contain the b value. All right, so no semicolon is required. Actually Python doesn't require the semicolon. And at last print the larger number is okay 15, and 1 is I take the minus 6. Okay, so it is also evaluating the minus plus. Okay, minus number is always less than the plus one. All right, but based on this one, just like I give you one homework, so similarly you have one homework over here, program 8, homework 8, between 3. You have to find a number, larger number between the 3 number. Okay, that on open your Python notebook after this class. You can do this thing. And the second homework over here, this one. All right. Now, next program, program 9. Write a program to check you are eligible for board or not. And if not, so how many years are left for eligibility? Means either you are eligible or you are not eligible. So if you are not eligible, you have to put some lines before this. If you're not eligible, so how many years are left? Okay, so I just take age equal to int, and put your age, input, enter your age is, then I'm checking if age is greater or equal to 18, because eligibility criteria in Indian government is 18 years old, right? Print you are eligible, else. What I am doing here, I have to display the things how many years left. So I take one variable years equal to 18 minus age. Okay, then print in same block. Now the if block have two line. First one, the age calculation, and second one, how many age are left. Print you have to wait, then years. Okay, now the problem C. Again, what problem I do here, I just put something problematic thing, because greater than equal to always not contain the space. Okay, this is one operator, not two operator. All right, so if I put the 12 year age, so this is saying to me we have to wait for 6 years. All right, and if it we have the 34, so you are eligible for that. All right, and even not we do already now. Very good program. Program 10. Write a program to enter any character, to enter any characters, any chat. Right. Write a program to enter any character, full stop. If the entered character is in lower lower case means small a to z, small a to z. Okay, then convert to upper case. What is upper case? Capital A to Z. All right, and vice versa. Or vice versa means I just write or if it is in uppercase, convert to lowercase. Okay, so means first of all we have to detect the thing which case is there, then what we do, we can do this thing. Okay, one more thing, we have one function. I think this function I explained in function section, ord, and one function is chr. Okay, uh when we do function, okay, so I will teach you these two function, very good function is here. What is odd function is doing, because this is concerning to this, because how any the computer detect the case is upper or lower based on the ASCII value. This is ASCII value. Can anyone tell me what is the full form of ASCII? Anyone tell me what is the full form of ASCII? Okay, so what happened here, every keyboard character in your laptop or desktop assign a value so that computer can identify. Okay, so ord function take input, any input, and give its ASCII value. Chr function take ASCII value and give its equivalent character. Okay, but I am not going to use both of them, but it's for knowledge, right? It's functioning explained in function because function chapter have very good function for which are used in data science, right? So what I'm doing, ch equal to input, enter any character, alright. Then what we do, if ch is greater equal to from capital A, double condition, and ch is less than equal to capital J. Alright, keep in mind, all freshers or beginners are supposed to be put, pay attention over here. Okay, what I'm checking the number. I mean, first is capital letter. I mean, anything which is starting from A, either it is A or greater than A, between either it is Z or less than Z. Okay, so what we do, ch equal to, ch means what character user input, ch dot lower means convert this thing to lower. Alright, update on that thing. Then else, either character is not capital letter, so it is automatically in small letter. So else ch equal to ch dot upper. Okay, and we have one print message over here, print the entered. So what I'm writing here, because the first section check the uppercase, so entered letter is uppercase. Okay, then its corresponding lowercase, then its equivalent or its lowercase case, you have the ch. Okay, now again, enter character was in lowercase, the uppercase. All right, let's check. All right, I'm pressing a small s, So entered character was lowercase. So which case is executed? Second case, else executed, because it is checking the capital one, but you put the small one over here. So small will encounter the else, and else will convert this thing to upper. So same character will modify, same memory location of modify, and it's become the capital S. Similarly, capital C, small c. Okay, one more program for as a homework for you. Okay, program 10, program 11. Homework, check that given year is leap year is not or not. You have to check, you have to take the enter this thing from user and then check it is a leap year or not. Yes, print this thing in yes or not. Okay, this is program 11. Okay, I hope I should finish over here. So at least do this thing. Okay, so this is yeah, one more thing I want to give you as a based on this one. Yes, P12. Note it down. You should require to note it down this thing. Homework. Okay, write a program to determine whether the character entered is vowel or not. Okay, all this program based on the conditions. You have to put particular conditions so you can easily catch up the output. All right. So I think you have note down the homework. Um, the first homework. I'm just scrolling from up. The first homework you can note down. Program convert degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. The first one. Even you take a screenshot of this one. The formula is written over here. Then write a program to find the largest number between three. So what I apply between the two numbers, you have to apply this one. Then check a given year is leap year or not. And at last, the entered character is vowel or not. Now, we are meeting you on Sunday. If you have any query regarding these class or entire what I teach in entire week, okay, in previous few classes, so you can ask me Sunday at 11 a.m. with the same meeting link. All right. Now you can ask the question if you have any doubt from today's session. Yes, Shubhanshu, what you have doubt? You can unmute and ask me.
Sir, can you just go to that program section up, little
Yeah,
bit up? Yeah,
yeah,
this
yes.
correct one.
Tell me, tell in future. Keep in mind, just tell me cell number so that we can continue. Okay, which cell number?
26.
26. Yes, yes, please. Yes, please.
Here, when you're giving the condition CH is greater than or equal to
Mm-hmm.
A, so does it like see CH? It will just take it will append. I mean, it will include the value whatever you're giving it. Suppose if
Mm-hmm.
you're giving CH value, you're giving an input as B.
Mm-hmm.
So like it will compare whether the given alphabet is B or not, or how it is like.
No, 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 dear, dear. That's why I'm giving you these two function. If you do practice, why I would show you these two function? It is using its odd value. I means it is using ASCII value. See what inside this, what between this, it is not remembering somewhere, but it is somewhere. Its ASCII value is greater than 65, and what is the value of this one of Z, that is approximate 97, or I forget this one, 90. Okay, so it is exactly doing behind the base of the odd value. Okay, then you printing this thing again the chr function. That's why I mentioned these two function over here. I know that if someone is put this thing in your mind, it will ask a question. Okay, that's why it is working based on these two function. These are the vice versa. You take the character, you can take any input keyboard, you can convert. I mean, if you want to check what is the value of hash, let me check. I mean, every character, if you see the ASCII table, so this will give you the every character of the keyword, its ASCII value, and vice versa. You can convert this thing using check chr function. If you put chr of 35, give you hash. I hope the query is solved.
Yes, yes. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
So this is finishing from my side. Okay, so if someone have the query on Sunday, I mean not mandatory to all, can join on me on Sunday. All right. So any more question you have? Otherwise, we are going to finish the session. And email ID and YouTube channel, we have links. So I just paste this thing to your chat box so that newcomers can join us. Newcomers can join us. All these things, email ID, you can email ID me. You can join my YouTube channel, subscribe. So as the thing is uploaded, you got this. All right. Email ID for technical query is this one, and for non-technical query is this one. All right. Thank you so much. Good night, and once again, Merry Christmas.